Welcome to my Canva presentation about the Western Ghats, and I will be discussing the food security in this biome. The Western Ghats is located in HS 1,600 kilometers of coastline. This biome contains 325 species of wildlife, such as the Indian python and the Indian gaur. The Indian gaur is a plant. It has involved the agroforestry systems, including tea, coffee, and spices such as cardamom and cinnamon. Some of the problems include conflicts/wars, illegal wildlife trade. The habitat loss is another major problem that is caused by deforestation. The Western Ghats is involved in other countries as the United States, Pakistan, and the Middle East when you are exporting their goods. Some solutions to reduce the deforestation is sustainable agriculture, to teach farmers how to harvest the food and protect the rainforest. Food security is a responsibility for each of us, and maintaining the resources and protecting the rainforest. Thank you for viewing my presentation and hope you enjoy learning about the Western Ghats. If you want more information, please visit the sources.